Whew. Yes. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I've literally been waiting to receive another wig because my wig is hurt. I just need something fresh, new. We're just gonna get right into this video because I want to try this wig on now. The hair came in this silk stuff. They gave me some little cards, how to apply the wig, rat tail comb, and wig caps. Here is the adjustable elastic band. Right here you can readjust if you want it tighter or if you want it looser. How freaking interesting. My big old head definitely has to go to this last latch if I want to see any type of progress in this video. Okay, yeah, perfect. And inside the wig, where you would actually sew the elastic band if you're customizing your unit, they put these little hooks in there so you can just hook. It's in there. They did say this wig was made to unpackage, cut, and wear. You should have to do little to no customizing for this unit. I'm so hyped right now. Once you perfect that elastic band method, you don't really have to glue your wigs down unless you really, really want to. You can literally wear it at all times and it'll be laying flat. Every single time I've tried, I haven't been successful. That's okay though. Because if my wigs could come like this, baby! Okay, this is the moment of truth. I'm going ahead and sliding the back clip into my hair. This feels like it's falling off already. What's going on? Oh, she snuck. Okay. I should actually cut this lace. I'm gonna cut it while the wig is on my head, but I'm gonna follow my natural hairline. And so that when I put it on, it will be secure and it'll look like it's growing out my scalp. Be back. Okay, I'm back, clearly. I've left a little bit of lace. I'm just scared to cut too much and then I'm like, shit. Oh, are there already babies in here? That helps. If you're anybody like me and you want some sort of baby hair in the front, you know, I just like a little swoop. That's just me, I just like a little swoop. You're gonna have to still do some customizing. But this wig, in comparison to other wigs, you're saving so much time. One of the issues I can mention though is where the adjustable strap is sewn, it's pushing on the back of my ear so bad and it hurts. It's not comfortable right now. I'm gonna use this to style these baby hairs so that I know if I need to change anything before I cut the rest of the lace. Wish me luck! So I'm ready to take this off. I don't feel like it's completely dry, but now is the moment of truth. Yeah. Are y'all seeing this? The thing I love about that styling lotion, it dries in the style you want it, but it doesn't make it hard. My only complaint, look at my ears. This is really depressing. I wish that wasn't the case because I'm loving this. If I wear the wig without the adjustable strap, it's still sitting on my ear. Wow African, I can honestly say I love everything about this unit. The fact that it comes pre-plucked, the fact that the knots are bleached, the fact that I can create a part essentially and I don't really have to do much. Then again, these adjustable straps, it's just not working. So I made two changes. First, what I did was cut more out of this wig so that it wasn't really hugging my ear, but just hovering over. And you wanna be careful that you don't cut too close to those latches and mess up the elastic band, you know, that's the whole part. And second, if you remember when I put the elastic band on, I placed it across here, but I've now moved that elastic band upward. So now the lace is laying right about here rather than here, and it's pulling the wig this way rather than down on my ears. I wouldn't say the cap size is completely my size, which is why it's still kind of off, but it's not pushing on my ears as bad, and I can work with that. I currently don't have any glue or adhesive. This is how the wig lays, just with the elastic band, but I probably wouldn't wear it out and about like this because it could slide right off. But if you're doing something real cute and simple, you don't need any glue. Boom, boom. And as far as the WowAfrican saying this is a wig you could take straight out of the box and wear, I would say I pretty much agree, because all I did on this unit is cut the lace off and cut baby hairs into it. This is really how it is. Thank you so much, WowAfrican, for upgrading my whole life with this unit and really introducing me to this elastic band, because wow. Thank you all for continuing to support me. I'm getting back, I'm gaining my momentum again, so I really appreciate y'all. See you in my next video. Peace out.